Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to turn on your Wi-Fi hotspot on your Google Pixel phone. First go to the settings, then go to network and internet, and then go to hotspot and tethering. And then here you can turn on the Wi-Fi hotspot, and then when you click on it, now you'll be able to see like the hotspot name and the password over here. You just have to give the other users the hotspot name and the password. To see the password, just click on it and it will show you over here. You can change it whenever you want. And if you go back, you will be able to see how many devices are connected to your hotspot. Currently there's 0 devices connected to mine. Now there's another way to turn on the hotspot much quicker. Just scroll down twice to see the quick settings, then scroll to the right. You'll be able to see the turn on and off button. Here you can turn on the hotspot. That's it for the video. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.